Hello everyone, this is a brief video to give you an overview on how to use EdPuzzle and integrate it into your Canvas courses. To get started, let's go to edpuzzle.com and you're going to choose the login option in the top right, log in as a teacher, and sign in with your Google account. All accounts have been pre-made, so you don't need to create a new account. Once logged in, it should take you to your homepage, and now you're ready to start creating and sharing content with your students. If you want to simply find a video that someone else created on EdPuzzle and use it and share it with your students, you can search for content at the top. So for example, if I search body systems, this person, Paul, created a video over the immune system that has 7 questions. To view it, I can click on it, I can play it and get a sense of, okay, what kinds of questions does he ask students? I can click on the questions as I go, and you can see that he asked, what is the main function of the immune system? So let's just say hypothetically that I didn't really like some of the questions he had, or maybe I wanted to make some changes. What I can do is I can click the edit button and I can begin cropping or shortening the video. I can delete or edit questions. I can add a voiceover or audio notes, which are little intermittent snippets of sidebar comments that you can make in a video for students to listen to, or I can add new quiz questions. Once I've made the changes that I want, I can save and finish, and I can assign to a class. Usually what you're going to do is you're actually going to integrate it into Canvas, and we'll get to that in just a minute. But first, let's see what you want to do if you created your own YouTube video and you wanted to make an EdPuzzle video from scratch. So what I've done is I have a video that I made using Screencast-O-Matic about supporting characters notes, and I want to use that to create my very own EdPuzzle. I need to select the URL, copy that using Command-C, and then I'm going to go over to the YouTube section in EdPuzzle, and I'm going to paste that URL into that search bar. Notice how it immediately takes me to the editing features of this video. So now I can actually start cropping my video if I want. I can add voiceover, audio notes, and quiz questions as I go. And then again, I can save and finish and share it with students. Now let's see how we can integrate EdPuzzle into our Canvas courses. Once you're logged into Canvas and you're in the course that you want to integrate into, go to your settings. And once you're in your settings, go under the Apps tab in your menu. And then we're going to search for the app EdPuzzle. And it should appear on our menu here in just a second. There it is. Once I click on it, I want to click Add App. Notice it's asking me for a consumer key and a shared secret. I'm going to go back to EdPuzzle, and I'm going to look under my profile, click your name, look under School, scroll down to LMS Integration, select Canvas. Notice it creates the consumer key and shared secret. So go ahead and copy those and paste those into Canvas. Once I've done that, I can add the app, and now it's added successfully. And students can see the assignments that you've created in EdPuzzle through Canvas. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.